In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the freezer drawer stop in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new freezer drawer stop, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For ease of access, we're going to remove the freezer door. This step is optional. To remove the freezer door, open the freezer and locate these two bolts on the back side of the door near the upper corners. Slightly loosen them with a 1/4 inch nut driver, wrench, or socket. Once loose, you can lift the door off the hanging struts. To remove the drawer stop, insert a small flat blade screwdriver into the slot and gently start to pry on the locking tab. Then, grab and pull to remove. You may find this tricky. When shopping for a new freezer drawer stop, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This part is side specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct one. To install the drawer stop, align and firmly press in place. To install the freezer door, align the hanging tabs near the bottom of the door to the slides and the bolts to the notches on the hanging struts. Once the door is seated properly, tighten the bolts. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.